Windows cannot find javaw.exe, javaw.exe. Now, if you're getting this error, number one, this actually could be a malware attack. That is why it says Windows couldn't find java.exe. Now you have to simply scan for malware by simply opening up your settings. Once you open settings, you can just go to privacy and security over here, and you can go to Windows security, and with your default Windows virus protection, you want to make sure if there is any sort of malware, and just make sure to remove those malware using your system security and just turn them on. Now, sometimes the issue could just be that your java.exe has been uninstalled for some reason. So in that case, you can just go ahead and then basically try to reinstall that particular exe or Java in this case. And once done, you should be able to download and install it. And that should help you solve the problem. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.